Good afternoon, guys. Welcome. So today I wanted to talk to you about a project that we have going on here in the backyard. JR and I were able to score these really cool what are they called? Pallets. Oh yeah, these pallets that they have the flat bed or flat board on top. I'm gonna put a picture of what they look like, and they were free. Somebody was giving them away for free, so I found them on Facebook Marketplace. So I sent JR to go get them, and there was how many, JR? 15 of them for free. So we are going to build a hen house. As you saw in my other video, we have more chickens, growing up in the brooder, and they're all gonna be in this new hen house. So let me show you what we made with these pallets. Okay, so these are the pallets that we scored these for free on Facebook Marketplace. I'm always scouring Facebook for items that we could need to build for our chickens and for my garden, and so that's going to be the platform. And after all is done, we're going to paint it with, what is it, primer, protectant, something?
It's just weather resistant white paint.
Yeah, just to make sure that if the monsoon does ever get here, that it's protected against the rain.
Since these pallets don't have, full sides on the bottom, in order to make it like really structurally sound when we actually use them for walls, I'm gonna have to put like 2x4s underneath here and right here along this, and then I'm probably gonna put another 2x4 along the bottom edge there, so that I have something to actually bolt down to, because the last thing that we want is like the winds to come in and like push this over. The 3 pigs that built their house, yeah, this is not going to be the one of sticks.
Is it hot outside?
It's too hot.
These lag bolts to get the 2 panels together to make one wall, because one pallet, the 2 same size pallets would have been too far out of the floor of the base, so he had to cut one of the pallets in half to make it fit, and putting them together with these lag bolts.
There's a double trigger.
So here we are now. I'm going to show you a little bit of how we're halfway done. Like I said, they're all pallets. The inside, okay. There's more pallets there. We had rain yesterday, and late at night we failed to cover this thing. But we have this tarp there with a rock in case the winds pick it up, because we know we have winds anyways. So, but the wood seems fine actually. So here's the 3 walls. My husband just needs to put the roof on top, and because they're pallets, they have these openings here. But we wanted this actually because I'm gonna put wire on all this to cover it so that no animals can come in. But this is gonna serve as ventilation, especially for the summer. There will always be ventilation, and not to mention all the windows I'm gonna put in here. I'm gonna open up, probably not back here, but on the sides. I'm gonna put windows here and on the other side. And I mean, needless to say, this is going to remain open the entire time, so there's ventilation going inside and out throughout the windows and out throughout those openings. And all of this is going to be wired up. All of this is going to be fenced in, obviously, but there has to be ventilation, like absolutely here in the summer. It's ridiculous. So because we had rain last night, we don't want this wood to go bad on us and split or anything or swell. So I'm gonna paint it with that what is it, primer? Going?
Inside.
Why?
Because I'm done.
You're done? Alright. Well, thank you for your help. Are you tired already?
You need a pen, right? Daddy, I want
So this is a slant for the roof.
Daddy, Daddy.
So I'm about to show you the finished product of this hen house. Like I said, we made it for cheap. It's not completely done yet, but this is the final outside structure look. So here it is. It's a basic square structure, you know. Here's the back. We're not completely done yet, but there's the back. We put some the roof, what is that, like plastic, whatever that is, but yeah, this is not real metal. It's that plastic thing. Anyways, we're gonna cover this, okay. Let me show you. Okay, so here it is. We still have to put, I think I'm gonna put vinyl floor. It'll make it easier to clean if I ever need to mop or whatever. I'm gonna open some windows, lots of windows because of the summer here. Lots of windows. I'm probably not gonna open anything on the back, but I am gonna put lots of windows on the side. And with time, I'm gonna put maybe some side paneling to make it look pretty, maybe paint it a different color. But yeah, next step is to border all of this with hardwire cloth or mesh and put tarps all over. So this is a big project. These shade cloths, my neighbor gave me these. Very kind to him. He just didn't have any use for them, so he gave them to me. I'm gonna take them off and put tarp on top like that. That's more of those pallets that I have here, because we haven't rain. I cover these, but I'm gonna take that shade cloth and border everything, well, the top and that side over there, the west side, with solid tarp so they can get solid shade. But yeah, there's gonna be airflow all throughout, because it's going to be just not chicken wire but hard wire mesh. And I'm gonna move these raised beds out of the way. So from the inside coming out, that's gonna be the chicken run from here all the way to the last pole. And yeah, so that is the update. We are going to continue to work on this. Gotta clean all this area here and start putting, that's the next step, to put the hardwire mesh. So I'm really excited about it. Like I said, we're trying to do this the cheap way because lumber is expensive, and like, we're just like the average middle class family. So, and we have other projects that we're running. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what this project, how it has begun. And we're gonna make another video continuing this whole chicken hen house, chicken shack process. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.